Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a Scrum board. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the Scrum board is a monitoring tool. It got the following characteristics. It is a fundamental visual resource in the Scrum methodology, allows the workload to be visible and helps teams manage their product development from the start to finish. It is a perfect tool for monitoring workflow and facilitate daily synchronization. The success in using this Scrum board is in being very detailed in all the tasks, that in which state they are, and the progress that they are having. Before watching this video, it is essential to know what is Scrum methodology. Please first watch the video of what is Scrum, in which we explain all the methodology. Okay, so when we are developing a Scrum board, this is a tool that is very important in the whole development with the Scrum methodology. So this is the main layout, and the first thing that we need to have are the stories, the user stories. So that is why it's so important that you have developed previously this tool, because otherwise you don't know how to develop the rest of the task. So that is why it's also very important to understand what is Scrum. After you have all the stories, you can do this tool digital, or you can do it like analog. I strongly recommend that everyone in the Scrum team has access to this tool, so everyone can know which are the tasks if maybe they forgot or something. So after this, the first thing that you do is that you organize the stories. After that, it's very important that the team members know which stories are they working. So here you put all the team members. In front of them, you're gonna put the story that they are working on. You have to have the Scrum board for each sprint. That is extremely important to know which sprint are you working on and which is the story that you are working. After that, the first thing that you need to do is know how many tasks you have. So at the beginning, everything will be in the row of to do. After that, and after you start developing each task, the task can evolve and is something that is in process. Why is this important? Perhaps one of your team members know and understand and finish early. Maybe he could help you with something. So he can start in something that you are in the to-do row, or you can go and see if it's already in process. When it's done, your task will be here. So that means that the task that you have is already done. One of the good things about this is that you need to check each day in the Scrum daily meeting to know where are we going, and as a team, how is the progress going, and keep tracking each of the tasks. So that is why it's so important. But it's also allowed you that your team members perhaps can help you. And that is very important, because Scrum, as the name says, allows you that your team members can help you with your development. These are the main 5 rows that you have in a Scrum board. However, some people uh, prefer to use some other things. I use it very simply, but it will allow you to track the task. That is the main focus on this tool. As a conclusion, we can say that the Scrum board must be carried out in a managed tangible, analog or digital, but it must be able to touch and allowed to be able. It means that each of the elements, each team member can move it as soon as if it's in progress, if it's done, or is in the to-do list. You must be follow up every day since the project starts until it's done. Some people include a sprints backlog or iteration on the Scrum board. I don't, but if you want, you can do it. It's really up to you, because I prefer to do that in the backlog. It is a very simple tool to use and understand, but it requires rigor in use and in the description. That is very important, because in the stories or in the description of the task, you have to be very specific with that. Thank you so much. I hope this tool will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel and innovation channel in the whole YouTube platform. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.